Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is Chrissy Chris, and yeah, sorry cut a bit short last night on the video, but we're going to St Nicholas Glen, Waterfalls, and talking of which, check this out. Ooh, Waterfall. Be the second time going here, and I'm looking forward to it since, you know, everything's blooming and what have you, so it's going to look that little bit extra pretty. And yeah, let's go and see what we can find and explore. Might find some cool birds and what have you. So let's go. Right, everybody, we have now come upon the money tree. All these old pennies. And then there's loads and loads. Look at all this. Money, money, money. So peaceful and relaxing here. There's something about this place that's in Nicholas Glen. It's just got this magical feel here. I do highly recommend visiting here. The walks around here are stunning and the views too. Alright, let's continue on with the walk. Alright everybody, we are nearly there. Just a few more minutes and we'll see a stunning view. But I'm going to try find a sweet spot to make my wish. So let's go! Fantastic, we made it to the waterfall. Look how cool it is. So beautiful. Alright everybody, this is where my mic started playing up even more for some reason. But this is the point where we finished looking around and was heading off to get something to eat before heading back on the road. Has gone by, had some food, and it's been a really nice day today. And at the moment, just chilling by the fire. Nice and toasty. Ooh, look at that fire. Night to night, everybody. See you tomorrow.